Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Netflix viewing history on the Netflix website. To do this, head to netflix.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Hover over the profile icon on the top right and choose Account. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section and then click the drop-down arrow on the right of the profile that you want to clear the history for. Inside of this menu, choose Viewing Activity. Here you'll see all of the activity for that Netflix profile. From here, you can go through and hide titles from your viewing activity. If the title is from a series that you've watched, it'll ask you if you want to clear everything from that series. You can also easily hide everything by choosing Hide All at the bottom, and then Yes, hide all my viewing activity on the next pop-up. By doing this, you'll be clearing or hiding everything from your account. So, these titles will no longer show up in your Watch Again or Recently Watched list, and Netflix will no longer recommend it or similar unless you watch it again. When you're finished, you can head back to the Netflix homepage and continue watching. And that's how you clear your Netflix viewing history. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.